This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Ryan Palmer. This home in the sought-after River Park neighborhood of Mount Holly is in pristine condition and move-in ready. This home features a spacious open-concept floor plan with durable wood plank flooring throughout the main level. In the well-appointed kitchen you will find a beautiful large island with upgraded countertops and energy-efficient appliances. Upstairs, the spacious and serene primary suite features a vaulted ceiling and ensuite bath with dual vanities and a walk-in closet. Also on the second floor you will find 3 additional bedrooms with a spacious second bath featuring a large vanity and a walk-in laundry room. The fully fenced backyard has Tiftuf Bermuda grass and a tree buffer allowing for ample privacy. The 2-car garage features a freshly epoxy sealed floor. River Park offers all the amenities you desire and has excellent proximity to the airport, Whitewater Center, and Uptown Charlotte.